let's see how to bend text in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open up Microsoft Word. And then we'll go into the Insert tab and click on the text box. Right here, we want to click a simple text box and enlarge that. Write in your text. Okay, so let's enter that text. And let's make sure that our text box has no fill and has no outline. So the next step, let's slightly enlarge this text. There we go. And then let's go into shape format. From here, we have, or rather we can see these options. Click text effects, click transform, and here you can see options to either bend the text upwards or downwards depending on your preference. So that is how you bend text in Microsoft Word. See you soon!